Govt target cyber thieves. New Delhi. Telecom operators are likely to disconnect a record of 1.8 million mobile connections at one go as a part of the government's first countrywide operation to curb cyber crimes and online frauds, officially said. This follows a comprehensive investigation by various law enforcement agencies to track misuse of mobile connections for connecting cyber crimes and financial frauds. During investigations, it was detected that in many instances, a single handset was used with thousands of mobile connections, and official privacy to detail told on May 9th. The Department of Telecommunications had asked Telecom to disconnect 28,220 mobile handsets and and re-verify 2 million mobile connections with these handsets. Typically, we have found that in much instances only 10% of the connection get verified and the rest get disconnected. Following re-verification, the official said that the disconnections will have done once the telecom complete the verification in 15 days. The development comes amid a steady rise in the number of mobile phone based cyber crimes in the country, according to the National Cyber Crime Bureau, reporting portal victims of digital finance fraud lost rupees 10,319 crores in 2023. More than 6,94,000 complaints were received in 2023 as per the report by the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Typically used SIMs of different telecom circles and regulatory changes, that combination of SIM and handsets to duck the radar of law enforcement agencies as well as telecom operators, officially said.